Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Walmart Seller Center login issues. Verification errors step by step clearly. Open a private or incognito browser window to rule out saved session conflicts. Confirm you are using the correct Seller Center URL for your region and do not use old bookmarks. Check that your email and password are typed manually once to avoid autofill mistakes. If you use a password manager, temporarily disable it and try again. Click Forgot Password and reset your password if you see repeated verification failures. After resetting, wait 5 to 10 minutes and try logging in again to avoid rate limits. Make sure your internet connection is stable and try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot if needed. Turn off VPN, proxy, and ad blocking extensions because they can block verification services. Clear cookies and cache for Walmart domains. Then fully close and reopen the browser. Try a different browser like Chrome or Edge, updated to the latest version. Check your device date and time settings and enable automatic time synchronization. If the page loops on Verify It's You, refresh once. Then stop refreshing repeatedly. When prompted for a code, choose the correct method and verify your phone number or email is current. Check your spam and promotions folders for the verification email and search for Walmart and Seller Center. If SMS codes do not arrive, request a new code once and wait at least 60 seconds before trying again. Remove any VoIP number from your account if Walmart does not accept it for verification. If you recently changed your phone, update the number in your account settings as soon as you can access. If you cannot access at all, prepare to verify identity with support using business details. Confirm your account is not locked by checking for an on-screen lock message or lock email. If locked, wait the stated cooldown period before attempting another login. Enable two-step verification only after your primary login works to prevent setup loops. Check for Walmart Seller Center status updates or outages on official channels if errors appear widespread. Disable corporate firewall restrictions if you are on a work network, or try from a home network. Try signing in from a different device to isolate whether the issue is device-specific. If you receive an invalid verification error, ensure you are entering the newest code, not an older one. For authenticator apps, confirm the correct account is selected and that time sync is enabled in the app. Take screenshots of the exact error and note the time, browser, and steps you took. Contact Walmart Seller Support with your partner ID, registered email, and screenshots to request a verification reset. Subscribe to the channel and like the video for more step-by-step Walmart Seller Center fixes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.